What's up, guys? Alright, so today is day 3 of our raw vegan challenge, and we will be sharing our deconstructed sushi bowl as well as our passion fruit ice cream recipe today. If you're new here, we are a vegan family of 8. We have 6 kids and we've been vegan for 5 years. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here and you're excited to continue this raw vegan journey, hit that like button right now. We did a preview of this bowl on our Instagram, so if you are not following us on Instagram, go ahead and follow us now. And if you guys are curious about any of the items that we're using in these videos, go ahead and check out our playlist that we created. It's called Raw Vegan Challenge 2020. It includes the haul of all of the groceries that we will be using this week, and in it we also show our plan for staying on track with our nutrition. And if you check out this video, it will explain to you why we chose to go on this raw vegan journey in the first place. It's also in the playlist. Now, at the beginning of this journey, Chris and I pretty much agreed that we'll probably be having the same things for breakfast and snack. So for breakfast, I had a hemp smoothie and Chris had a green juice. Now for snack, we normally have our Go Raw bars, but we did run out. So Chris actually came up with this kind of like a raw almond joy type of thing.
Yeah.
Where it's dates, coconut, and almond butter. But we'll share that with you guys in the next video coming up tomorrow. Now during this challenge, we're always going to share our comment of the day. So here is today's comment. Thank you so much for that.
Thanks for the support. Thanks for coming to comment.
Absolutely. And guys, make sure that you tune in every day because we will always have some great recipes for you guys, tips and tricks, and we'll always have something new on the table. Now let's head inside. We're gonna show you guys what we have for lunch, which is our deconstructed sushi bowl. And a little while later, we'll show you guys our dinner. And then for dessert, we have our passion fruit ice cream. Oh yeah. So let's head inside.
All right. Oh, there it goes. There he go. There he go. Ah, there he go. There he goes. The sexy walk. A sexy walk.
Guys,
Wanna have some?
Guys, this has everything that you're gonna need in a raw sushi roll. It's just in a bowl. It's got your carrots, it's got everything. As you saw in the video, you have to try this out.
It's delicious, guys.
It is delicious.
And then that ginger that they give you when you're getting your sushi, that little pink.
That little pink ginger.
Yeah. That's what it's like.
The nori.
Yeah, because it's just like diced up seaweed, you know, the seaweed wrap.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a must try.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna check back in with you guys a little later when it's time for dinner. But until then, we about to go and tear this up.
All right.
All right. I'm excited.
I know.
You smell that?
Oh my gosh, that smells like my childhood.
Yes. All right.
Here, show the brand so they see.
So this is pitaya, illuminating plant power pitaya.
Oh, that's not a Papa whole thing.
It's a bit on the sour side.
Yeah, that's not a choice you want to give.
All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna turn it to ice cream, and we're just gonna pouring that in, and as you can see, it's kind of coming out like sorbet.
All right, guys. So we are going to take a little bit of coconut cream and a drop of oat milk and a drop of vanilla. We're just gonna like fold everything into each other. I'm gonna put a little bit more agave, a little bit more vanilla, and we're gonna just put some coconut flakes, a little bit.
All right, guys. Now I did leave it out the freezer a little bit too long. So
It's fine.
We're still tweaking the recipe.
We are.
It is delicious. We would like it a little sweeter.
Yeah, it's not sweet enough. I don't remember passion fruit being that tangy.
That tangy.
Yeah.
It's still good though.
It's
good.
good.
We will give you guys the recipe shortly, but until then, you know, experiment.
Yeah.
Try it out.
Yeah.
That's good though. Let me get some more.
It's really good.
Exactly. We didn't talk about it's too tangy. But
I know.
Yeah, like I said, if you don't like it this tangy the way we made it in the video, just add a little bit more agave to it or a little bit more of your
Coconut.
sweetener.
Yeah, the coconut
Exactly,
base.
and you should be good to go. All right, guys, this is what we're having for dinner, which is some rasta pasta
With lobster.
with lobster. This is raw vegan lobster pasta.
Lobster, rasta pasta.
Hey,
Lobster, rasta
hey,
pasta.
hey,
Hey.
hey.
Walk them through it. Walk them through it.
When you first taste it, you get hit with like a sweet taste, and then you get like a little bit of a tangy, and then you get a little bit of a kick from the jerk. Everything marries together so well. This is delicious. Guys, stay tuned, subscribe, and actually check this out.
In tomorrow's video.
In tomorrow's video, we will share the recipe with you guys. Yes, sir.
Ooh, so pretty. So many colors.
So many colors. You gotta try it.
Oh,
You gotta try it.
wow.
Yeah, that's a problem. It's so fresh. It's so fresh, but yet you feel like you're doing something nice.
The spice, the kick, the creaminess.
It's gonna be a hell of a night.
What's up, guys? It's Rocky here. I just tried some of this rasta pasta and it's amazing. It tastes like it was cooked or something. Tastes amazing, guys.
That was the best vegan lobster. Or best pasta dish. That was a I want more.
We're gonna make more
I want a
tomorrow.
full plate of that to just eat. That's the best.
Was it?
That's the best. That is the best.
What does the flavor taste like?
Lobster.
It tastes like what you remember lobster,
Even
right?
if I don't remember what lobster tastes like, that's what I think lobster would taste like.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's the best. Yeah, I need more.
Quick thing, before we continue the video, guys, do not forget to join our membership on our YouTube channel. Now, if you do not know what the membership is, it is kind of like Patreon, where you pay basically a monthly membership. It is completely optional. You do not have to join it if you don't want to, but you do get exclusive footage. You get early access to footage. You get behind the scenes footage. You also get exclusive finds, and we share that stuff with our members before we share it anywhere else. So please go ahead and check that out. Back to the video. All right, guys, that is it for today. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk. And zip up your coat. Drink your almond milk.
Okay.
And zip up your coat.
Oh.
Zip up your coat.
Drop it low. Drop it lower. Drop it lower. Drop it lower. Oh.
I attribute that to the raw.
Hi, baby. Hi, guys. Okay. Hi. Hi. Lobster rasta pasta.
Let's get it.
Lobster rasta pasta. Lobster rasta.
Chris, you did it again.
Presenting lobster rasta pasta.
Hey.
Lobster rasta
Hey.
pasta.
Hey.
Give me lobster.
Hey.
Give me pasta.
Hey.
Give me lobster.
Hey.
Give me pasta, baby. Lobster rasta.